Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You act fast, disconnect Wi-Fi and cellular to cut off the attacker, then force restart your iPhone to halt running malicious processes. While the device reboots, enable airplane mode so nothing can phone home. Next, scan the home screen and settings for unknown apps or profiles, write them down. Once done, take screenshots of any suspicious activity and battery usage, because logs help later. Make sure to preserve evidence. That information tells you how deep the compromise is. You now secure account access. From a trusted device, change your Apple ID password and enable two-factor authentication so attackers can't re-enter. Then visit Appleid. Apple. Com to revoke unknown devices and sign out all sessions. This blocks active tokens. Back on the iPhone, remove configuration profiles and uninstall any apps you didn't install. After that, clear Safari history and website data, and reset network settings to purge malicious proxies. These steps close backdoors and stop credential replay. You finish by restoring trust. Backup only essential, verified data, because backups may harbor malware. Then restore the iPhone to factory settings via Finder or iTunes to wipe persistent infections. After the restore, reinstall apps one by one from the App Store and sign back into accounts with new passwords. Make sure to monitor for recurring signs and check financial accounts. If anything persists, contact Apple support and consider a professional security assessment. If restore fails, that escalation is your best troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.